Today I'm taking a look at the Excited Work Oscillating Tool Kit. Okay, so that does come with a carrying bag, and that does have some separating pouches inside of it. We got our battery charger. It says that's good for 110 to 240, so that's good for international or domestic. It outputs a 1 amp at 21.5 volts. We have got a bunch of different cutting tools. So here we've got a Velcro back mouth sanding head. We got 3 packs of sandpaper for that. It's already got holes in it as well. We've got 3 saw blades. It says that those are all good for wood or plastic. Got another wood plastic saw blade. That one is a little bit narrower. You got a straight blade, so if you need to get rid of caulk or something like that, we can do that. We got a half moon blade, and we have a ceramic half moon blade. So here is the oscillating tool. We got 2 contacts there on the bottom. We have a rubber grip. Looks like our speed setting here on the side. Got our on-off switch here on the top. And this does have a quick release for changing those blades out. So you don't need to get any kind of tools or unscrew anything. All we gotta do is pop this guy open, drop in our blade, make sure it's on those pins, and then close it. And that locks in place. Now what's neat about that is that we can open it and we can rotate the blade. So if we need to get that into a tighter area, we can get whatever angle is most accommodating. Most of the time, I'm going to run that straight on. Here's our battery. It's a nice large battery. It's a 3 amp hour, 21 volts, and it says the same thing on the bottom, 54 watt hour. It is a clip style lock, and we've got a barrel connector charging port there on the back in the event you don't have this charger available. But since we got it, I would definitely just use that. What's nice about this kit, this actually comes with 2 batteries. So if you need to run this oscillating tool for a long time, you'll be able to do that. Charge one up, use one. When you deplete it, you charge that up, use the next one. So very nice that they included both those. And we do have our instruction manual. It does say that it's 21 volt. It is 6,000 to 20,000 RPM, 3.5 degree oscillating angle, and 1 amp 21.5 volt DC battery. So that's actually fairly quiet if we run at the lowest speed, but if you want a little bit more aggressive cut, we can crank that up. And I do also appreciate we have a light on here so we can actually see what we're cutting. So I'm going to start at the lowest speed. Alright, and that is cutting. Let's go ahead and pick that up. And there we go. That will cut through wood, no problem. And it does appear we have different grades. So we have a P60, so a 60 grit, all the way up to a P240. I'm just going to go to the 60. And we rounded off those sharp corners. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice little oscillating tool.